Hello students, welcome once again to another lecture of test project automation. In this video, I am going to tell you about the quick introduction of the test project automation. I am going to discuss about what are the tabs available here and what are the functionality overview of each and every tabs and a very quick tool about the test project tool. So let's begin the session of test project quick introduction tool. Once you log into the test project console, you can see that you have a home, monitor, add-ons, reports, agents, integration, and a couple of other stuffs are there. So I will go and explaining each and every one. The first thing is the home. In the home, you have a 3 drop-down options called what are the projects you have. These are the recent projects you have. In the home, you will get about the idea about the recent projects. Also in the dashboard, you will get the name of the recent project and a short description of each and every project. From here you can also invite the other team members to get included in the current project. Once you are done with that, the next thing comes the monitor. In the monitor you have the current execution, and once you click on the monitor you can see that the execution total test runs, that means how many tests ran, and the available browsers we have. If an execution is going on at this point, you will have it here currently running, and the latest runs, that means what are the runs you have in the last few hours. Okay, if you have anything scheduled for the future run, that job information is also getting displayed under monitor. Also, you have a very important information about the online agents, how many of them are ready and how many of them are connected. At this point, my agent is sleeping and it is not getting connected. That's why it is showing 0 by 0. So this dashboard, monitor dashboard, give you the idea about the status and the health about the currently executing process, and also about how many agents are connected and how many are ready. Next comes to the add-on part. This test project automation is a community-based automation tool. That means you can get update from the community. If anybody develops any kind of softwares or add-ons, you can get attached your test project tool. In this community tab, you have the community add-ons that is available in the market. Practically, it is a marketplace. In the Eclipse also you have the marketplace. So this is a community-based marketplace, you can say like that. Installed add-on, that means how many of the add-ons is currently installed in your test project tool. What are your add-ons? Okay, what are the community add-ons? The next is the report. This section is very important for any kind of operations. If you're executing any projects, then the report is the main key to get knowledge about the current status of the project. Business stakeholders, the business owners, all doesn't go and look into your code or the test case. They only rely on the reports. So report is very much necessary for the higher managements, and in this test project, report is a very fancy thing, and you can download the PDF report without any kind of add-ons. It is already attached with that. So you can see the report here. This is the project wise report is displayed. This is the one project I have executed today, so that's report. This project have 2 executions, and what are those executions? One Android execution, one web execution. So this report has showed in the dashboard. Also you have the velocity report, also you have the velocity chart, that means how many times you have ran, and date wise executions. Okay, and in the distribution list you have a platforms, that means which agent has running, what are the platforms, how many of them are web, how many of them Android, how many of them are iOS, and also the project-wide execution. In the third one, we have the trends and targets. You don't have any kind of data at this moment, so I will discuss trends and targets in later part. Once you come back to the agents, okay, just one thing on the reports. Once you click on these reports, you can also traverse to the project-wise reports. On the clicking on the execution, you can download the PDF report. Okay, and also you have the test steps here. So this report is very fancy, and you can move on to the next one, which is agent, which is responsible for recording and interacting with your desktop or mobile or iOS devices with the test project cloud tool. In this console we have an agent, and once we click on this agent we get information about the general informations, what are the browsers installed, what are the versions, IP address, and the frameworks. Okay, we have our devices. That means what are the devices. I have a Redmi Note 8 Pro as I have shown, so that device information is also displayed here. Now no messages currently have in my systems and no execution report at this moment, so we are skipping this part. You can also filter out which one are the ready, which one is disconnected from this tab. If you have any new version available, you can get installed in the new version once you click on this tag. Once you complete the agent part, you can go to the interrogation, which is one of the most fancy thing about the test project. You can integrate the test project with a Slack channel, and it also have a web hooks. You can do a cloud execution. That means you can execute on source lab, browser stack, etc. Okay, you can also create an API and integrate with your Jenkins tool. Once you're done with this one, you can invite the teammates. Okay, and you can create the new test by clicking on these buttons respectively. And you have the help, you have a chat option, forum, docs, tour, feedback, and you can also submit your ticket for any specialized help required. This icon is very important. It already says whether the test project agent is running or it is idle or it is sleeping. This information is getting displayed from this monitor. This is the notification bar. You have the notification. I have 2 notifications, so it is displayed. And this is the user profile. You can go to your user profile and change the settings or passwords or any kind of informations, profile related informations. You can change it from here. And this option gives you to go to blog, forum, and add-ons and stay on the platform. Okay, so if you click on this test project, you will go to the home, and this is the main dashboard. You can create a new project by clicking here and give the respective informations. You can go to the add-ons to click on to install new add-ons required in the test project. You can go to interrogations to create a new API. You can go to reports. You can go to agents. And one more thing I like to discuss is that you can click on this chat icon to get instant messaging chat with the support. Okay, so this is a very quick introduction and overview, or you can say a quick tour about the test project tool. I will meet you once again with a new video about how to create the first web UI test in test project. Till then, bye bye and enjoy learning.